Hello guys, today I'm gonna be breaking into my friend's house, but maybe I won't have to because there's a key right here, and let's go into, oh wait, this is an anti-smart doorbell. Alright, so let's try to put the key in. Oh wait, it won't work because it's an anti-smart doorbell. Let's just press the doorbell button and see what happens. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. There's another button right here. Let's try this. Wait, it's flashing. What's happening?
Alert, there is an outsider outside.
Oh wait, what's happening?
Self-destruct sequence initiated. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just kidding.